Sujay,
So how do you calculate from Z to A?
how to calculate from Z to A? So A to Z, if we consider it as forward letter numbers, Z to A will be reverse letter numbers, right? Sujay,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you for any letter, if you add forward and reverse, it will be 27. For any letter, it is valid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now, if you know forward, we can get reverse. What is the forward letter number for K? For K, forward letter number is 11.
16.
11,
Sorry,
11.
11.
Okay, 11. K is 11. Kings 11 Punjab, right? K is 11.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the reverse direction, it will be 16 because if you add these two, it should be 27. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But can you explain once again, sir? I couldn't hear you.
Sorry?
So can you explain it once again?
Okay, forward number and reverse number should be 27. So if you know forward as 11, we can get reverse. But
Okay.
how, sir? How much we need to add to 11 to get 6? Sorry, to get 27? That is 16, right? Got it, Sujay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you are okay, then tell me the reverse letter number for some letter P. Sujay.
Yes, sir. Sir, what's the forward for P?
Tell me that also.
Sir.
If I give forward, you will give reverse.
So 16.
Yeah, forward is 16, but I am asking about reverse direction, reverse number.
Sir, 27
11.
minus 16.
How
11,
much?
sir.
Yes, it is 11. Okay. Next,
Sir,
Kavya.
sir, do we need to remember for every letter or can we just do it by hand?
Yes,
A,
it is
A, B, C, D
mandatory to
letter.
remember. It is compulsory to remember the letter numbers. Compulsory. Because they will save a lot of time in the exam hall. Whenever you are doing aptitude questions, logical reasoning or aptitude questions, they will be very much helpful. Okay. That's why we are spending some time on these things. Okay, Kavya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me the forward number for X.
So it is 24.
24. Very good. Then reverse number for I.
Is once again, sir. 9. So it's 18.
18.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
9 plus 18 is 27. Very good. Correct. That is 18. Correct. Then Nishant. J. Nishant Reddy.
Sir.
Okay. Tell me the forward number for. Tell me the forward number for some letter U.
21, sir.
21. Okay. How you have recollected this? What is the hint? I think this is T20, right?
So Z minus 5.
No. I'm not asking reverse direction. This is forward number. Okay.
No, sir, for forward only I'm telling. I remember Z, so I just subtract 5.
Okay, Z minus 5. So by seeing this 20, saying it is Z minus 5, but I am asking about a letter U. Okay. I think it is better. T20, U is 21. Okay. And is another person going to respond? Sai Ritvik. Sai Ritvik. Maybe he's not there. Pranav. Pranav is also not there.
Sir, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, Pranav.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me what is the 15th letter in the English alphabet?
Sir, O.
Very good. In the reverse order, what is the 8th letter? Pranav.
Yes, sir.
What is the eighth letter in the reverse order?
Sir, R.
Sorry?
Sir,
No, it
R.
is not R. No. Forward number
So is it
plus
J?
reverse number will be 27, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the reverse number is 8 means the forward number will be?
So S.
Yeah, 19. 19th letter is yes. Okay. Don't count it. You should memorize them. Compulsory, you have to memorize them. So I will ask, I will spend some 5 to 10 minutes on these things daily. Okay. Daily means in every class I will
So
discuss.
in the exam, we can just simply take a sample paper, just write it quickly, and then just write them in order, right? So
That is what I told in the last class also. Take any sample word. Take any sample word. Try to give the numbering without taking any extra work. Try to give the numbering. Okay. In that way, all those things will be memorized automatically. Okay. What is our next model in coding decoding topic? Letter or word coding with different letters. Okay. With same letters, we already completed in the previous class. Now it is different letters. Okay. Coming to the question, in a certain code
So the
language,
logic is like one letter next letter, sir.
you got the logic already. Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
so
for
here
science,
the
it will
word
be
English.
For science, it will come.
J.
Word English is written as FM HK JRI. Then how will the word science?
Sir, but M is before. Sir, but N is before M, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
tell me here to here. Is it +1 or -1?
+1.
+1.
Now we
Plus
can take
one.
it as +1 because E is 5, F is 6. That's why we can take it as +1. But N to M it is
-1.
-1, 14, 13, -1. But G to H it is
Yes, sir, it's like alternating.
+1
Yeah.
only. Next letter. But L to K -1. I
E
to
minus.
J +1. S to R -1 and H to I +1. Now you got the logic, right?
Yes, sir. That's what I meant by next letter.
Yeah. So from hint word to code word, the logic is alternatively +1 and -1. +1 -1 alternatively. And we have to do the same thing on science also. But we have to start with +1 or -1. Starting is important. We need to
Sir,
start with
+1.
+1.
+1.
Yes, next letter is
T.
Sir,
C
T.
before letter.
B.
B.
I next letter.
J.
J.
E before letter.
D.
D.
D. N next letter.
O.
M.
O. C before letter.
B.
And E next letter.
F.
That's all. That is the answer. Okay. So +1 -1 alternatively. Next, we are moving into second example. Here, the word rankings is written as this one. How will the word students be written in the same language? Try to get the logic.
So for the first letter, it's +5. Then for the next +10, +5, +10.
Okay, let us verify. This is 18th letter and it is 12th letter. Is it +5?
I meant -5.
Sir, first one for
-5
R2
is
and
also not
-5.
applicable. -6 actually.
-6, sir.
Yeah, -6. Okay. This is 1 and it is 15. I think it is not applicable. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Get any other logic? Search for the nearest letters. You will get the logic easily. Search for the nearest letters. Okay, okay.
Sir, is it like RST?
Sir, sir, -6 and +14. I
Okay.
guess.
This is first is -6, then +14. Then what about next? It should have some pattern, right? Okay, search for the nearest letters.
Okay.
As I mentioned, search for the nearest letter. What is the nearest letter of R?
Yes.
No, no.
Okay, can be. What is the nearest letter of A?
B.
B.
B is also there. N nearest letter.
M.
M.
M is there as well as O is also there.
O is also there.
And K nearest letter.
L.
L. If you observe, all these letters are next letters only. I nearest letter.
H.
H. It is the before letter. N nearest letter.
M.
M. It is the before letter. G. F.
F.
S. R. That's all.
Only first 4 after, then last 4 before.
Yes. So divide it into half, right? Divide into half. First 4 we have written in the reverse order with +1 or -1. Or yes, A, B means +1, right? And the second half is also written in the reverse order with the -1 before letters.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got the logic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And we have to
Yes.
apply the same logic on this word also. We'll divide it into half first. First
So
half
it will be
+1 in the reverse direction. Second half -1 in the reverse direction. -1 in the reverse direction. Okay. Do it. D +1. D next letter.
E.
U next
E.
letter.
V.
T next letter.
U.
And S
U.
next letter.
E.
Half is over. Then second half. S before letter.
R.
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 T before letter.
S.
S.
N before letter.
M.
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 And E before letter.
D.
D.
So that
D.
is okay.
Sir, these are explain after logic letters, again? sir, and this is before letters.
Yeah, divide it into half. First half is
Yeah, sir.
after letters, second half is before letters.
So can you
Okay,
explain
sir.
logic again?
Ananya, tell me again.
No, sir, Sujay, can you explain the logic again?
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. So divide the total number of letters into half. First half, we have to write them in the reverse order with the +1. +1 means the next letters. And second half, we have to write them in the reverse order only with the -1. -1 means previous letters or before letters.
So, sir, for
Before
like
letter in English.
R, how are you relating it with L?
Sorry?
So, sir, how are you relating R with L?
No, I'm not relating R with L. That is what I mentioned here. Reverse direction means R is here, A is here, N is here, K is here. Okay, is it not reverse direction?
Sir, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. R is related with S. Okay, in the first half,
Okay, +1.
first
Okay.
letter, last place. Second letter, last but one. Third letter, last but two. And for last letter, first place. First half is over now. In the second half also, this letter is related to this one. This is related to this one. And this is related to this one. And this letter is written here with -1. Got it? Ananya, understood?
Yes, sir. No,
Yeah.
sir, Sujay, I understood.
Not me.
This is first half. We have taken in this way. We have exchanged the positions in this way with +1.
Sir, isn't it
one means-
-1? Q,
What do you
R,
mean by
S,
+1?
right?
The next
No, sir.
letters.
R, S. So, isn't it before S? So, it should be -1, right?
No. From R2, from known word to unknown word, from hint word to code word, we have to take the logic. Above to below,
Okay,
is
sir.
it +1 or -1? Top to bottom.
So +1.
Yeah, +1. Okay. Moving on to next question. Ready? Yeah, this is the word. Mumbai is written as M-B-O-E-E-N.
The next letter. Okay. Is it like
That's
that?
all. All are next letters only.
+1 +1. So +1 +1,
Okay.
+2 +2, +3 +3, and +4.
The first letter didn't change from by.
Is it +1 +1? Starting letter is +1.
+0, sir. +0
No, sir.
+1.
+0.
No, sir. 0 +1 and
This is
+2
0. Okay.
+3
And this is
1
+1. Okay. And
+1,
it is
+2, +3.
+2.
yeah. This is 13th letter and it is 15th letter. It is +3.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. 13th letter and 15th letter.
So +2, right, sir?
Yeah, it is +2
+2,
only.
right.
13 and 15 +2. And B and D,
+2.
2 and
Sir.
it is 5.
Yes, sir.
+3.
+3.
And D,
1 and 5 +4
+4. 9 and 14.
+5, sir.
That's all. You got the logic. Every letter is increased in the series of natural numbers.
Yes, sir.
Starting from so +0, +1, +2, +3, +4 in the forward
Tell me
direction.
whole numbers, right?
Okay, whatever it may be, including 0, it is whole number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
F, G, A, B, C, D, F,
N, N, A, I.
J, K, L, M, N,
So from the beginning, C +0 is how much?
G, Q,
C only.
C,
+1. Next letter.
I,
I.
I. +2. 5 +2, 7 means
G,
G.
G. +3. 14 +3, 17 means
Q,
sir, Q,
+5.
Q,
+4 is over.
R.
No, +3 is
R.
over. +4. Yeah, 14 +4 is 18 means R. This is +5. 1 + 5.
P,
6 means
almost 6, F,
F.
F,
And
sir.
this is +6. 9 + 6 is
+6. 15 is O.
10 means O. That's
O.
it.
Oh,
Next example. Nature is written as this one. Then how will famines is written? It is always the best practice to write these words immediate after watching the question, to write these words in this way: word below word, letter below letter.
okay.
Search for the nearest letters. You will get the logic immediately.
So
Search
like
for nearest
N is for
Sir, N is for O
Okay.
plus
N
2
is
Okay.
equal to O,
plus
T is
plus
equal to S,
A,
A,
B, A, B,
B,
B, B,
A,
A, B,
for
okay.
T
T
for S,
as S,
T,
yes,
as S,
S,
yes. If
U
you make
as
yes, it is the before letter, or you can take U also. It is the after letter.
yes, yes.
Okay, T may be for yes or U. Okay, then
Yes.
U for U or V.
V,
The
V.
U
for
for
B.
B is better because it is a different letter. We'll
Yes,
give
sir.
priority for next letter only.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
R,
Instead of
R
taking
is
same
S.
letter.
R is S,
R
Okay,
is
if you
S,
confirm R for yes, sir, then T will be confirmed for
U,
V, T will be for U, yeah.
okay E.
E is
And
S.
E, F.
And if you observe, all these letters are next letters only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you said, all those letters are next letters only. But in which direction? Sorry, in which order they have written? That is what we should know.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1
So like
and
first is written as next third letter,
so 1, 3,
Sorry.
2, so 1, 3, 2, 1. And okay.
So the first they're written in third place, then first. and fifth,
Okay.
and then-
So here, okay. Oh, you are saying like that, and here the number of letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But in famines, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3,
Seven.
4, 5, 6, 7.
7.
How can you arrange that seventh letter then? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
so like when we take in nature A is written as F, so in famine also A will be written as F.
With the same logic, we have to write famines also.
Sir, otherwise then we can just keep n is equal to b and a is equal to f, and we can do like that. Substitute.
No. Then all the letters will be covered. Are covered already.
Yeah, except s.
No.
For
So we
for
don't.
F is also not there. I is also not there. M is also not there. S is also not there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then all the letters are next letters only, but try to get the order for this. You forgot one thing.
So backwards. So
Sorry, first one
backwards.
will be B.
Sorry?
So backwards.
No.
So which first one will be B, sir. Then second one will be.
First one will be B. How it will be B? Why how to write B only here?
So because
Sir, I guess the order is
in that, sir, second letter is written as first letter.
That is what I am telling. If you arrange a second letter in the first place like this, if you arrange, then you have to face a problem. What is the problem is here there are 6 letters only, but here we need to arrange 7 letters. In this way we can.
Sir, like what we can do is like, sir, I guess this is the logic. Like add all of them in the forward direction and then arrange them in backward direction, ascending order.
What is backward direction and ascending order?
I mean like take. Okay, sir. I mean like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
Here.
In
All
backward.
these letters are in alphabetical order. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
That's all.
Okay, yeah.
Every letter is replaced by the next letter, and the resultant letters are arranged in alphabetical order. That's all.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, got it.
So from
I'm
here
doing
to
backward
here,
order. Yes, yes. Sorry.
+1 in the alphabetical order, or we can say first we have to arrange them in alphabetical order, then also we can do +1. In both the cases we'll get the same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here we'll do one thing. First we'll arrange all these letters in alphabetical order. So tell me the letters of feminines in alphabetical order.
A.
Sir, A.
A.
I.
E is there.
A, E, I.
No, F is also there.
F.
Then I. Okay.
I.
N, S.
M.
M
N,
and S.
N, S.
Now replace these letters with the next letters. That's all.
Okay, B,
Yes,
F. Oh, yes, sir, got it.
B, F,
B,
E,
F,
F, E, G, J,
G, J,
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 L,
N, N,
O, T.
and
O,
That
T.
is-
Yeah, but still not, whatever it is.
Okay. And one more example. How many examples are there? 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 questions are there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we'll do this and we'll do all the questions. Otherwise, you may not get the logic for them. Okay. Ready? Here, see ducks.
Sir, I got the logic.
I said got the logic, sir. First we
Sir,
write the
like
before letter,
forward
then
and
we write the
backward
after letter.
Forward and backward.
Like
Forward and
C,
backward.
D, D, E.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yeah, sir.
CD
Yes,
and
sir.
TV, BD,
Before.
JL, RT.
Generally, in example up to example 4, we got the letters from hint word to code word. The number of letters are same. So here
Yes, sir.
3 letters are there. Here also 3 letters. Here 4
Yes, sir.
letters are there. Here also 4. Here 5 letters are there. Here also 5 letters. But here
Yes, sir.
this question, there are only 5 letters in the given word, but the code word consists of 10 letters. How we got that?
Sir, forward and backward of
Like
each
D,
letter.
Yeah, in
before
place
and
of
after.
every letter. Every letter is
Yes, sir.
replaced by its previous and after letter. Before letter
Yes,
and
sir.
after letter.
Forward and back. Yeah.
And we have to apply the same. Hence,
Yes, sir. That will be GI,
Again.
DF,
GI,
DF,
DF,
MO,
MO,
RT.
RT. That's all. Okay. And you may get with you may get the questions with less number of letters also in future. In future means in the later questions. Okay. Be
Okay,
ready for them. Yeah, this is the next question.
So it's like the alternate letters +1 and alternate letters +1 and -1.
Okay, you got
Yes,
that
sir.
immediately. Okay, let us try.
Plus one minus one. Plus one minus one.
MINATION. So here it is F W B L J M B
That's
S
also the same logic, +1 minus.
J P M. Okay, let me verify once.
Alternatively +1 and -1.
Okay, E F means it is +1, right? X W
-1.
AB,
+1,
ML,
-1,
-1,
IJ,
+1,
NM,
-1,
AB,
+1,
TS,
-1,
-1,
IJ,
+1,
+1,
OP.
-1.
Sorry,
So -1.
O is 50.
One second,
OP is
sir. Wait,
15.
sir. There's
It
a
is
flaw.
also +1.
Yes, sir. Flaw is there. It's not exactly that.
Somewhere you have done some mistake, I think. This is -1.
No. -1.
And it is not, whatever you said, the logic, that is not suitable. That is not applicable for this case.
So I guess just reverse the last 2 digits.
No.
Sir, half it and do it.
No. Half means number of letters must be half. But here half is not there.
Yes, sir.
So one letter later?
No.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11 others. So cannot be broken. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
That's
this
the
is
correct, right? A,
this
B,
is
C,
the
D,
wrong
E, F,
wrong direction.
W,
This is
then
the wrong
X,
direction.
then
Okay. I have selected a word such that the letters are in alternative positions. Okay. Okay. Tell me the letters for which we have done +1. Tell me the letters.
-1.
+1 letters are E, A, then I, then
For
A, then
vowels, we have to add.
Only for vowels you have done +1. Okay.
Yeah, only for
Only for
vowels.
vowels +1
Now
and
you got the
consonants
logic,
-1.
right?
Consonants -1. Yeah.
Yeah,
-1.
they are in alternative positions. One vowel, one consonant, one vowel, one consonant. They are in alternative
Yes,
positions. We thought that it is an alternative series, but it is not
Yes,
actually
sir.
alternative. So this is based on this is based on vowel and consonant.
Yes,
So
sir.
if it is an vowel, we have to do
+1.
If it is a consonant, we have to do
-1.
-1. Whether they may be in alternative positions or they may be consecutive positions also.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
this is the logic, and this is not the logic. +1 -1 alternative is not the logic. Okay, and there will be some option with +1 -1 alternative also. Okay,
Yes, sir.
which will give a wrong answer. So for result, we will apply that for results. Okay, R previous letter.
It
Next
depends
letter.
on the options, right?
Okay.
Sorry.
So it depends on the options, right? What we write the answer.
No.
Yes.
Even if a +1 -1 alternative is there in the options also, that is wrong one, because
So
that is not suitable
QFTKR.
for all, right?
Sir, QFTKR.
Okay. Tell me
Q,
Q before
F.
letter is R before letter is Q. E next letter
F.
S before letter
R.
R. U next letter
V.
P. L before letter
K.
K. And T is also before letter. S is also before letter, because they are
Yes, and
consonant.
R.
Yeah, this is R. Sorry, yes, and this is R. That's all. That is the answer.
Yes, sir. Give fresco, sir.
Right. Piyush, what is that answer?
I said nothing, sir. Just type.
So you still applied the same logic, +1 -1, right?
If you apply +1 -1, that is that will give a wrong answer, because that is not
No, sir,
suitable.
you're applying the +1 -1 logic only, no,
No,
sir.
here I have not applied +1 -1. Even here also, the vowel and consonants are in alternative positions. It seems like that, but it is not actually that logic. Okay, this is the
So then
logic.
what logic are you using?
This is the logic. Every vowel we have to replace it by next letter, and every consonant replaced by before letter.
So what's a consonant?
What's a consonant other than vowels?
Okay, sir.
A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Other than vowels, remaining all are consonants.
So vowels I know, I don't know consonants.
Sorry?
So vowels I know, I don't know consonants.
Okay, if you know vowels, then you should know consonant also. Other than vowels are consonants. Okay, remember that. Okay, here the number of letters from hint word to code word, changed or same?
So changed.
Changed. Increased or decreased?
Decreased.
In the
7
previous
to
case,
3.
it is increased, means in place of every letter we have written 2 letters.
Okay, sir. So now we have to deduct 1.
Maybe. Try. Try this.
Yeah.
Usmania is written as ONT. Then how will university be written? Okay, here, see here. To reduce number of letters from hint word to code word, we have two possibilities. One possibility is categorizing the letters, ignoring one category, consider another category. Okay, how we can categorize the letters? One category is vowels and consonants. Another category is even place letters, odd place letters.
Odd place letters.
Okay, so consider one category, ignore other category, or delete other category. That is one thing. And second is combining the letters, combining different letters. How to combine different letters is okay. O is 15th letter. A is first letter.
Nice.
If you combine these two, it will be 15 plus 1 is 16. 16th letter
16.
is P, but nowhere P is not there. Okay, so it is not based on combination. It is not based on combination. It is based on category.
Yes.
So, but there are 7 letters, sir. So
even, odd, even. So it's odd, even, and even letters.
Better we'll try first vowel and consonant, and later we'll see even odd. Okay, O is an vowel or consonant?
vowel.
Vowel. A.
Vowel.
Vowel.
I and A.
And A also vowel. How many vowels are there?
4 vowels.
4 vowels, but there are only 3 letters. But see the consonants. 1, 2, 3. There are only 3 consonants and 3 letters. Maybe the logic. Yeah. What is the nearest letter of S?
Sir, T.
T. It is the after letter. Okay. What is the nearest letter of M?
M. N.
N is also next letter only. N nearest letter?
O.
O. M and O.
Also the nearest letter only. So here the logic is ignoring vowels. Ignoring vowels. Only consonants.
In reverse order.
We have to do +1, but we have to write them in the reverse order.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Even and odd means the number determine the even and odd means the number determine the alphabets or here, sir.
Yes, even and odd also we have to consider one type and we have to ignore other type.
No, it's like O is 15 numbers. So should I consider it odd or even?
Odd, yes. S is 19, odd. M is 13, odd. A is 1, odd. Likewise. Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
So here we will ignore all vowels. Ignore. That's all. And the remaining letters are consonants. So we have to write them in the reverse order. So I'll start from Y. Okay.
Z.
Y next letter is Z.
Z.
T next letter?
U.
S next letter?
T.
R next letter? S. And V next letter?
W.
And N next letter is?
O.
That's all. That is the answer. ZUTSW. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I have a doubt.
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, instead of Y, if it was given as Z, then what would we have done, sir? There's no letter after Z, right?
After Z, always there will be Z. Sorry. After Z, always there will be A in reasoning. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir, understood.
A
to
to Z.
A instead. And if it
A to Z, we have to call them, in reasoning, A to Z, we have to call them letter cycle. Okay. Alphabet cycle. Alphabet cycle. So what is meant by that cycle? What is meant by this cycle?
So after Z, there will be A again.
Yeah, again there will be A. Means A to Z letters will be cyclically we have to use. So actually there are 26 letters in English alphabet. But in reasoning, there will be 27th letter also, 28th letter also, even 54th letter also, even 100th letter also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is 27th letter?
So A.
A. 54th letter?
Sir, A.
No.
So Z, sorry.
No. 26 plus 26 is 52, right? 52 plus how much is 54?
2
plus 2.
B.
What is the second letter?
B. Okay, yeah.
B. Okay. In every cycle, second letter is B only, na? That's
So
What
I
is
didn't
0th
understand
letter?
the logic you used.
What is 0th letter?
Sir, I'm unable to understand this. Sir, 0th letter. Okay. There's no
What is
0th
first
letter.
letter? What is
Sir,
first
1.
letter?
A,
One
Z,
A.
Z.
A, right? Before letter of
Yeah.
first letter is 0th letter. What is the before letter of A?
Sir,
Z.
right?
Z. Okay. Got it?
So
Yeah,
is there
Sujay, tell me.
-1 letters as well? -1, -2 like that.
Where?
No, sir. Will there be letters like -1 and -2?
-1 and -2. For which one you're saying?
So for Z, you told us for zero
Yeah,
is
0th
Z.
letter. 0th letter, nothing but first letter, before letter is 0th letter. First letter is A, then before letter is Z.
Okay, sir. So this Usmania OSMANIA, in this I understand that you cut out the vowels, but with
Yes.
S, M, and N, what logic you use for S, M, and N?
Only consonants are remaining now. Yes or no? After cutting all the vowels,
Yes,
only
sir.
consonants are remaining.
Yes.
For the consonants, we are writing next letters. So next letters also in the reverse direction. For S, corresponding letter is this one. For M, corresponding letter is this one. For N, corresponding letter is this one.
Okay, understood, sir.
Yeah, in the reverse direction, that is. Okay, we have to make it fast. And can you try this and tell the logic for tomorrow? Take a
Okay, sir. I'll just take a screenshot.
Write this question fast. Take the screenshot or write this question. And you have to answer this question in the next class.
Sir, some of them have too complicated logics and it's hard to do in exams.
Yeah. Actually, these are not complicated. You are not feeling these questions are complicated. As I am explaining in an order, okay, you are feeling like them, okay. Got it? Can I go to the next model? Till now we have covered 2 models. Letter or word coding with same letters and with the different letters. And next we are moving on to the number coding. Okay, number coding. Yeah. So in a certain code language, enable is written as 39. Then how will
Sir, sum of numbers, sir. Sum of numbers. Sum of numbers, sir.
Okay, try some of the numbers.
Yes,
if it
sir,
is matching, then it is okay.
Yeah.
If it is matching, then it is okay.
Yes, it's matching. 1 minute.
Okay, let me try. This is 5, letter number 5. This is 14. Yes, this is 1.
5, 14, 1, 2,
and 5.
5.
If we add these numbers,
19, 20, 22, 32, 39.
Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir. So we have to simply add it.
We have to do the same thing for this also.
Yes.
So 4, 9, 19, 1, 2, 12, and 5.
That's 52.
How much? 52?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. I'm just checking it.
Check.
It's a 52.
1, 2, yeah. Yes, sir, it's 52 only.
Okay, then.
It's 52.
I'm not verifying. Okay. I'm not cross-checking. It is 52.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is 50.
Anybody saying no?
52 only, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, 52 is the correct one. Okay, here, how can we relate a word with the number? How can we relate a word with the number? Tell me. Here, how we have related this word with the number?
Sir, we have simply added the numbers, like
sum of all.
Yeah, by taking the letter position, right? By taking the letter
position in forward direction.
So that is one possibility. By taking letter positions, we can relate word with the number. How we can relate word with the number is by taking letter position. That is one possibility. And is there any other possibility?
Sir, number of letters.
Very good. Excellent. Number of letters also is a number, right? Number of letters. Very good. And we'll move on to another type. These are the two possibilities to relate a word with the number.
Sir, for word number is 60.
Sorry?
For word number is 60, sir.
For word number
all.
is?
Word, W-O-R-D. Number is 60, sir.
No. I'm just asking how we can relate a word with the number. Okay,
So
you
how
have
is
added
this
all the things.
these
Okay, you have added like
like
23 and 15, then 18, then.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we are discussing here. Letter position. By taking letter position into consideration, we can relate a word with a number. Nishant, okay?
so how is this questions like this helpful in like real life?
In our real life, suppose
Yes, sir.
something you want to say to your friend. So in place of enable, you can send like 39. If you know, if you discuss with him already, as we have this, you can write a message
Okay.
like this. As we have discussed, it is 39. If you say like that, he will search for the word which is having 39 as a sum. In maintaining secrecy, in maintaining privacy or secrecy.
So, but there are many words
suppose-
to sum up to 39, right?
Yeah, there may be many words, but which are available in the list of words. So there may be only one word, right? Along with this hint, you may send another hint also. It may start with E or end with E. Exactly, middle letter is A, like that. You can send.
Yes, sir.
Okay. To maintain secrecy overall, the reason. Okay, tell me. AT is 20, BAT is 40, then CAT is 60. Then how is MAT is related? What is the code for MAT?
You should explain, sir.
AT 20, BAT 40, CAT 60.
Sir, I think 80, sir.
I expected this answer and I have given this question for that purpose only. You're taking like
It's
a number
obvious
series,
thing,
right?
sir.
20, 40, 60, then 80.
80.
And you, whatever the words may be here on the left hand side, your answer will be 80 only in that case.
Yes.
No, here we should not relate vertically. We have to relate
So,
horizontally.
I got the logic here.
Sir,
We know that 80 is 20. So, now M is which letter multiplied by 20?
Sorry?
Right.
Again, tell again.
So, like M is, suppose, I don't know which letter is M. But the number of M into 20. Because, 80 is 20.
Yes, sir.
So we can take another logic as well. A, B, C till M we can do, and till M we can keep on adding 20s.
No, that is what I'm telling. Why you are thinking like this? Don't think in a vertical way. Think in a
So, I
horizontal
got
way.
it. It's
Try to
21 into
relate
20.
80 with 20.
21.
How to get 20 from 80? A letter
Sir.
number is how much?
So 1.
One.
The
And
letter number.
say
How
20.
to operate 20 and 1 to get 20?
Say 21 minus 1.
Okay. So
21 minus 1.
No, how to
20
operate
into
20
2.
and 1
So
to
for
get
B,
20?
so for
Yeah,
bad
yeah.
will
Okay, yeah, yes, sir. 20 into 2,
so for
20
bad
into
it will be
2.
20 into
Yeah.
20. I mean 20 into 2.
Okay.
So then I'll be
So that
13
makes
into 20,
20
sir.
So here it is
13
10
into
into 1 into 20. 40.
Yes, sir.
Here it is
So,
3
Yeah,
into
sir,
1
3
into
into
20.
1
20
into
into 20, sir.
20.
260.
260, sir.
260.
Yeah.
Now you got the
Yes.
logic. So the
Yes,
M letter
sir.
number is 13, A is 1 and T
1
is
and
20.
T is
That's why
20.
answer is 260.
Yeah,
260.
yes, sir.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir.
So, yes.
So, instead of that, we know that 80 is equal to 20. So, just calculate the value of M, then M into 20.
How can
260,
you
sir.
calculate M? And here your question is not to find M, right? M is already known thing. M is already known thing, that is 13.
Yes,
And
and
if
then
you-
we know 80. So, M
Suppose if
into
you are
80.
given something like MEAT is a 260, then AT is 20. So then find M. Then in that case, you can find. Yes or no? Actually, this thing is not known. This is the question mark here in this question. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on to next question. And actually, you can predict this question. As in the previous question, it is sum. Now it is product, right? Okay. Next question. In a certain code language, table is written as 25. Chairs is written as 36. Then how will students be written? Yes. Got any logic?
So infinite?
Sorry, infinite.
Yes, sir.
What is your logic? According to which logic that is infinite?
Sir, tables are 25 rupees, chairs are 36 rupees, and students' price is infinite.
Suppose if it is a caste, then you have to represent it as also in a caste only. If it is a number, you have to represent this one also in the number. You are relating both. Oh, sorry. Just a second.
Sir, is it 25?
Answer is 25. No.
Okay, sir. So I was thinking because 25 chairs are there, there will be 25 students to sit.
No, that is not 25 students or 25 chairs. Relate letters with the number.
Okay, yeah.
Don't
So like the last letter,
don't see
the
the
last letter square.
meaning. Okay. Number
So
of
is it-
tables,
so is
number
it the
of chairs.
last
In
letter
place of
square?
tables or chairs, it may be any number. It may be any word. Tell Kavya again.
So is it the last letter square, sir? Like E is 5. So 5 square 25.
Very good. Excellent. But it is not suitable for this, right? In chairs, the last letter is yes.
Sir, is the answer 128?
Tell the logic.
Sir, in the table, T is 20. No. Okay.
Okay. Then.
So,
Sir, if you'll add sum of
Okay,
all
sir. So the
alphabets,
first number and the
Let
first
her
number
tell.
and
Let her tell the logic.
okay, sir.
Tell again.
Sir, the T is 20 and letters are 5.
Okay, very good. But is it suitable for this?
Sir, is it
No,
the
it's-
square of it? Like 5 into 5?
So we have to add the first letter and the
So-
last letter.
Yeah, Hania,
So is
tell me. Continue, Hania.
Sir, is it like 5 square and then 6 square and then student?
Yeah, how
8?
you got that 5? This is 5, okay. This is 6 square, okay. How you got that 5 in table?
So
Sir,
the
So 5
five
letters, 5 letters, 5 letters, 6 letters, like that.
5 letters.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
5 letters.
Five
Here
out
the
of
number
six
of letters
letters.
are 5. That's why it is 5 square. Here the
Yes,
number
sir.
of letters are
62.
6, that is why it's 6, sir.
here the
Yes,
number of
sir.
letters are
Oh. Sir,
8.
8 square.
8 square is our answer. That is
64.
64.
Yes, sir.
very good. All together you solve this question. Very excellent. Very good. And whatever you said in the middle, all those things are going to come now. See?
Okay, sir.
Okay. The same question, table, chairs, and student, but it's not students. This is student only. So in one question, I have mentioned one logic. In second question, I have mentioned another logic. And third question, there will be another logic. Okay. So for every question, you have to give your logic. In every case, you have to give your logic. So we'll go one by one. Okay.
sir,
For
first
question,
one is student is 49.
One second. Toshnika, what is that 47 for which question?
No, sir,
Toshnika,
that was the previous question.
Okay, tell me 47, how it will be 47?
No, sir, that was previously before I understood the logic. I have to repeat.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Then for first question, what is your logic? This is already completed, I think. Just
Sir,
now.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Just
Yeah.
49.
Number of letters, square. That's all. Okay,
7,
now
sir,
for second,
number of letters.
for second question, what is the logic? For second question. All of you, respond.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute.
Jivika or I think Taruni can answer this. Who tried in the previous question? What is the possibility of getting 25 in another way from this table?
Sir,
Five
last
square.
letter. Last letter.
Last letter
Last
is
letter,
E, 5. 5 square is 25. That is okay. But here the last letter is S. Sir. S
Yes.
is 19.
19.
How much is 19 square?
361. Okay.
Yes, that's all.
361.
361, yes.
Okay, that's all. That is the
Okay, yes, sir, understood. So T is
last,
going to be 20 square.
yes, yes. Last letter
49,
number
sir.
square. Last letter number.
4000, sir.
Now moving on to third question. Try the logic. Try the logic for this third question.
The first letters? No.
Somebody told this logic also in the previous example only. Example 3 on. Already told the logic, complete logic they told already.
So add, okay, 1 minute, sir.
What is the first letter number?
20.
Sir, 20.
How to get
20.
25?
Plus
20
5.
plus.
Adding 5.
Plus 5.
Plus
5 can
last
be
number.
the last number. It can be the last number or it can be the number of letters also.
Yes, sir.
So here the first letter number
6. Okay, then 6 plus.
3.
is the number of letters, sir.
3 plus 6.
3.
Yes, sir.
6.
Sorry?
Okay, sir.
6.
Yes, sir.
And this
9.
logic is already mentioned, right? In the previous
Yes,
example.
Yes, sir.
Somebody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here the logic is first letter number plus number of letters in the given word.
Yes, sir.
First letter plus number of letters. Yes. Next, question number 4.
So is it 5 into like 5 into 5 plus?
I think you
Okay.
cannot expect this question. Sorry, expect this logic because it is a silly logic.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
It's a silly logic.
Okay, sir. Sir, I guess it is the like number of letters. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, like that. And 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, like that.
Then how it will? Why it is only 2 and why it is only 3?
So because you take one number as constant, 2.
It can be 1 plus 4 also, no?
Yes, sir. But the thing is, like, you take 2 as constant, so you get 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 4 6, like that.
Oh, okay. You are very near to the logic, actual logic.
Okay,
Think
sir.
some more. Explore some more.
3 plus.
Can I give hint?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, number of vowels, consonants.
Okay,
Oh.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
yes, sir.
This
Yeah.
2 is the number of vowels.
23 and 20.
I asked that why. That's why only I asked why this is 2 and why this is 3.
Okay, sir.
So this is number of vowels and this is number of consonants. Here also, this is number of vowels and it is number of consonants.
Yes,
In our
sir.
question, what is the how many vowels are there?
2.
Sir, 2
Here
vowels.
it is 2 only, but the number of
24.
consonants are
25.
4.
5.
4. 4.
4.
So
Sorry,
5.
5. Sorry. It is
Five,
5.
sir.
First will be
5 only. 5.
25. Yeah, understood, sir.
So for 4, where to write the logic for this? Okay, let me write it here. For question
Sir,
number,
B plus. That's
the
all.
logic is number of vowels and adjacent number of consonants. And based on this one, we can say the answer easily for the next question.
Yes, sir.
Because
Sir,
it
is
is
it the sum of consonants?
not for this. For 6th question, you can answer this. You can answer it. 6th question.
So like for 5th one, it is the sum of all consonants. Like 20 plus 2 plus 5. No, sir.
Here also, this is 2 and 6, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, like that on. But here, this is number of vowels, but it is number of letters, total number of letters. Okay, this is number of vowels, 2, and the total number of letters are 6. Here in our question, number of letters are?
Sir,
7.
27.
Number of vowels are
27, sir.
2, and the total number of letters are?
7.
7. That's all. 27 is our answer. Okay, coming to 5. Question number 5. And this logic is also already covered. Already covered.
So the sum of first three letters?
No. No. Here the first three letters, what is the sum?
23.
23 only, but we require 25. No?
Yes. So the first and last. First
Very
and last
good.
letter.
First and last.
Yeah, correct. So first is 20 and last is 5, 25. First is 3 and last is 19.
19.
Sum is
Yes,
22. In the same way, first is 19, last is 20.
20.
19 plus 20 is
39.
39 is the answer.
So the seventh one, sir. Like the total number of letter square and total number of letter square. Seventh one.
Which one? Seventh one.
Seventh one.
Yes, sir.
Total number of letter square.
Total
No,
number
sir,
of letters
it's
are
cube,
5.
sir.
5
It's
square is
cube.
25 only.
Sir, it's cube, sir. It's cube.
Cube, sir.
Sir,
Cube.
5
Cube.
Yes,
Cube.
yes. Very good.
Number of
Correct. Number of letters cube, right? So number of letters cube. And you have identified them, right? 125
Yes,
to
sir. Sir, this one is like previous
343.
number and next number multiplication. The next
Tell me
one.
the answer for this. 7 cube is how much?
Sir, 343.
343.
Okay, let me write the logic for 5. I may forget that.
Yes.
5 logic is first plus
Last and
last.
first.
First plus
First and last. Yeah.
Okay, coming to 8.
Sir, it is, sir, I guess it is the like multiplication of previous and next number.
Okay, okay. In that way you.
Or sir, can it be like the square of numbers minus 1?
Okay, okay.
So
Yes.
like 4 and 6, 5 is there, right? 5 number of letters are there total.
Yeah.
So 4
And
back.
both of you are saying the same logic in a different way. See how it will be different.
Okay, sir.
So suppose if you take any number like n, what is this previous letter? Sorry, previous number n minus 1.
N
Right?
minus 1.
Its
Yes,
next
sir.
letter is
N plus 1.
N plus 1.
if you multiply these two, it will be
N square plus
N
1.
square
minus 1.
n
Okay,
square
n
minus
square.
1. A plus
Yes,
b
sir.
into a minus b is a square minus b square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, both
So,
of you are
5
saying the
square
same
minus
logic.
1, 24, 6 square minus 1, 35.
Yes. 5
Yes,
square
sir.
minus 1, 6 square minus 1. Our answer will be 7 square minus
7 square minus 1.
48.
So here the
48.
logic is number of letters square minus 1. Okay. Then 13 and 26. How we can get that 13 and 26?
So the answer is 52.
Logic. If you tell the logic, then answer will be accepted. If the logic is proper, then answer will be proper. You may not expect this logic.
Sir, is it? No, sir. No, sir. You'll be wrong. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, I guess it is the second and fourth letter addition.
Okay, okay. But here the second letter is H, but fourth letter is I. Na? Sum
Yes,
is
sir. Sir, H is 1 minute, sir. H is 88 and okay, yeah, it should be 17.
okay.
So then it will be second and second last. Second plus second last.
Yes, sir. So from left side second and from right
Oh,
side
yeah,
second.
yes, sir.
Here also the same. These two, sum of these two and sum of these two. In the same way,
Yes,
second
sir.
from first and second from last. 20 and 14 is?
34.
That's all. That is the answer. 20
34.
plus 14, 34. Second, second left plus second right. That is the logic. Okay,
Second
and
share.
last question. Today's last question.
Yes, sir.
10 and 38.
Sir, last number into 2, sir. Last letter number
Last
into
number
2.
into 2, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Excellent. Excellent. Correct. That last letter number into 2.
Yes, sir.
14, sir.
Last letter into 2.
Sir, time up, sir.
So it'll
Can
be
we leave?
Actually, I thought to give this question to you as an homework, but we have
Sir,
solved
can you
it.
give one more like this, sir?
Okay, I will share that question in the group, in our group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Something similar to this, sir.
All right.
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
we'll
this
meet
type
in
of
the next
questions
class.
also they can ask, sir.
Bye, sir.
Take, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Yes, sir. Bye.